Remove the transfer handle from the door jamb. Then identify the type of clip or plug used by the door shop to keep the door closed during transportation. Some door shops may use a Therma-Tru installation clip. Others may use a lock plug, also known as a chick plug, like this one. If yours has a chick plug, you'll want to unscrew it now before the door is installed. After the door is installed, there's no easy way to remove the chick plug without taking the entire door unit out of the opening. If your door has a Therma-Tru installation clip, then leave it in place for now. Using a countersink bit, drill 3 1/8-inch diameter holes into the fat part of each jamb leg at the top, middle, and bottom. On an in-swing door like this one, the fat part of the jamb is on the exterior of the door unit. Align these holes with each hinge location. It's important to use a countersink bit to help conceal the screw heads, especially for a pre-finished jamb.